I warmly welcome our Director Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, Vice Principal Sangeeta Patti ma'am, my colleagues, and dear parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for our annual opera, Rhythms of India. India is a land of rich culture where every state owns its own rhythm. Every tradition tells a story, and every culture adds colors to our lives. Today, our tiny icons will take you on a joyful journey across different states of our country through music, colors, and dance. But before we begin the show, I would like to call all the pre primer teachers on the stage who have worked tirelessly to make this event successful. From choreographing the dance, designing the costumes, to teaching each step with patience and handling energetic pre primary students. I hope you all know how much energetic students are. I also would like to invite our Director Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, the ideator of the show, whose vision and guidance made the show possible. I would also like to invite our Vice Principal, Sangeeta Patti ma'am, on the stage for the team picture. Please join ma'am. I request Kavita ma'am, Raj ma'am. Ma'am, please stay back. Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am to address the gathering.
Good evening to all the parents. Warm welcome. Sunny welcome to all of you. Give just a 5 to 8 minutes more. There'll be more shade there because last 1 week we have been measuring what time will the shade be there till what level to make sure that you're comfortable in the show. And as the newsletter already informed you, we have two shows today. Yesterday we had one show with 900 children. Today we have another set of 900 children coming onto the stage. The first show will have only pre-primary, and after all of you feel delighted with your children on the stage, we'll have the second show for grades 1 and 2. So how many of you are staying back for this show too? Okay, all right. There'll be no sun definitely by that time, I assure you on that. Okay. Before the children come onto the stage, there are a few things I thought I must tell all of you. The teachers worked very hard. They're teachers, they're not dance teachers. They're not music teachers, but they're teachers. So they learned from the dance teachers how to teach your children, and they worked very hard, so hard that I used to see them for the last 2 weeks, morning and afternoon, working with your children, dancing with them, showing them the hand movements. And I feel so very blessed that we have such a wonderful team working with your children. So now, how many of you were here yesterday? So many of you. Okay, I'll repeat the same question. What I asked yesterday. How many of you were children? Were children? Or were you born as parents? You definitely were children. You were a 1-year-old, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old. How many of you went to pre-primary? All of you would have gone to pre-primary or nursery or joined grade 1 formally. Okay? How many of you had fights when you were children? Fights, disagreements and conflicts and fights with your friends, family, siblings probably. How many of you asked your parents to help you? How many of you sorted it out on your own? Okay. Why I'm asking this question repeatedly, yesterday also I asked and today also I'm asking, because oftentimes parents forget what they went through when they were children, and they want to give the best of the parenting and childhood for their children. You forget that when you fell down and scratched your knee, you told yourself that it's okay, I'll get all right. But when it happens to your child, the way you react will make the child feel that this is a moment I'm going to get attention from my parents. When I get hurt and I cry, my parents give me attention. When you take them to shopping mall and they ask you to buy something and you refuse to buy, some of them may just fall down on the floor and start howling and crying. And some of them may just make different faces. Maybe they're very upset with you, they stop eating, they stop listening to you. But when you give attention to negative behaviors, children get this idea that fantastic, this is a secret of my success. If I want my parents' attention, I have to cry, shout, fall down, get injury, or complain about something that happened in the school or in the playground. If this is the way children grow up, thinking that my parents' attention is 100% when I complain or fight with them, they get used to the idea of seeking negative attention. Please make sure that they get used to the idea of getting positive and the right attention. When they come back, and if they, they usually have lots of fun from morning to evening. They walk in a line to go to the toilet. Like for me, I see them from morning to evening. 8 o'clock, assembly. They happily stand there, sing the national song, whatever happens in the assembly. Barely 10 minutes after that, they walk in a line to go to the toilet, wash their hands to have breakfast. 5 minutes after that, they walk again to wash their hands after breakfast. 1.5 hours after that, they walk again to wash their hands for lunch. Then after lunch, then they go to sleep. When they go to sleep, they wake up again with their sleepy eyes. They walk to the toilet all over again to wash their face and freshen up. Between these parades that they make, they have loads of fun. But I don't know if they come back home and tell you about the fun they have. They may come back and tell you the complaints. Mummy, somebody did this to me. Daddy, somebody did this to me, because they know that your attention is full time if they only complain. Get them used to the idea that your attention is there when they want to share something beautiful, something that happened in the class, something that's interesting in the class. Because at this age, if you get them used to that, trust me, because you have to live with them lifelong, not me, not my teachers. You have to live with them lifelong. So keeping that in mind, help children understand that your attention to them, complete attention to them, is when beautiful things are being shared. Also teach them to respect you and the things at home, grandparents, relationships, and community. If you teach them that, they will learn about it, because only if we teach them that in the school, it may not be very impactful. Also, whatever parents do, they imitate. Your language, the way you speak, your intonation, the way you walk, they imitate. So be very careful what you're saying in front of the children. If you're only looking into the phone and saying yes or no to them, tomorrow they will also give you an attention in the same way. So if you want a good relationship between you and the children, role model it for them. Speak the way that you want your children also to speak. Let them not learn anything that you will regret later. If you want to have fights as adults, by the way, in the family, have it when they're not at home. Don't have it in front of them. Because you know what? They'll come to the school and tell everybody, today my mummy fought, my daddy fought, my grandmother fought, my grandfather fought. Don't do anything in front of them because they're so pure and transparent. They'll tell everything here in the school. So be very careful. Okay? Please send us happy children. Don't compare your children with others and make them feel small, inadequate. That when they come to school, they're always feeling inadequate compared to their classmates. Send us children who feel loved, respected, whether they do something or don't do something. Don't make love and affection conditional where only if they write everything well, you will give them something, and only if they read everything, you'll give them something. No. Make sure the children get pure love, unconditional love, right time in right proportion. Not too much, not too less, just in a balanced way. When children come to school happily, knowing fully well that my parents love me and they respect me, teachers can work wonders with them. But if a child is constantly, now love and pampering are two different things. How many of you have grandparents at home who are taking care of your children? How many grandparents are sitting here? Please raise your. My sincere request to all grandparents. When your children were growing up, you may not have had enough time, but don't dote all your love on your grandchildren now. Okay? Because they'll get spoiled. Many times I have seen grandparents, the way they mollycoddle the children, it becomes very difficult for children to be normal in the classroom. So please make them independent and responsible. Children need not be babies. Babies are only 1 or 2 year old kids. Once they come to school, for us, they're not babies. They're little people. But if you want to constantly mollycoddle them, pamper them, kuchuku them all the time, do it at home, but don't make it a habit for them that they expect the teachers also to do that. We won't do that. We are teachers. We will take care of them, teach them, but we will not pamper them. I hope all of you made your children independent in their eating habits. If you have not, make use of Sankranti holidays now, 1 week. Make sure they're independent in their eating habits and their toilet usage also. Because these are the areas where children will learn to be independent. So the last thing is devices. I know you're all very busy people. I really understand and respect your challenges in your career and your personal life. But having brought children to this planet, you need to understand there are some things that you need to do very strictly. If you give a phone or an iPad to just keep the child quiet and not disturb you, it's going to bounce back to you in such a hard way that you will not know how to fix the damage. Even countries like Sweden and Australia are now recalling devices because they realize the damage that it's causing on children. These little kids, if they get used to that, and if they feel every answer can be got from an iPad or the internet for that matter, they don't need teachers or parents. They'll think they're aliens who can grow up on their own. So please be very, very responsible, prudent while giving them phones or iPads. These two devices should not be used for you to do your work without disturbance. They should be used minimally for them to learn something out of them. They're all waiting to come onto the stage now. Do you want them to come onto the stage? I can't hear anything. You want them to come onto the stage? Your parents are saying that they want you to come onto the stage. Can you hear? Oh, they're saying no. I'll say 1, 2, 3. Say cheers to all of them, then they'll come running onto the stage. 1, 2. I do this trick with the children. 2.5, 2.75, and 3. Now you heard? You want to come onto the stage?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents, for your support and trust. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this colorful journey across the India. Welcome once again. Shall we begin the celebration?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Namaste. Welcome to our annual opera, Rhythms of India. Today, we are taking you on a colorful journey across our beautiful India. From the mountains of Kashmir to the beaches of Kerala. Let's begin our adventures. But before we start the journey, there are a few points we want you all to remember. Please keep your mobile phones on silent mode. Capture all the wonderful moments with your eyes. After and before every performance, give us a big round of applause. And now, with grateful hearts and excited smiles, let's begin our beautiful journey across India. Our first stop is breathtaking land of Kashmir. Kushamadi. Do you know why Kashmir is called Paradise on Earth? Because it has snow, flowers, beautiful valleys. Now, our little Kashmiris will show their beauty on the stage.
बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम भवरे ओ शाम भवरे खुशियों को साथ लाए मेहंदी की रात में तुम लेके सौगात आए
हो काजल का रंग लाए नजरें उतारने को बागों से फूल लाए रस्ते संवारने को
काजल का रंग लाए नजरें उतारने को बागों से फूल लाए रस्ते संवारने को आओ मेहंदी की छाँव में गीत सुनाए झूमे नाचे साज खाए जश्न मनाए बुम्बरो बुम्बरो शाम रंग बुम्बरो 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरो आए हो किस बगिया से ओ तुम बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम बुम्बरा बुम्बरा शाम रंग बुम्बरा 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 शाम रंग बुम्बरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम
Wow, that was as big as Kashmir Valley. Our little Kashmiris truly brought winter magic to the stage. From the land of Kashmir, let's move to the colorful land of Gujarat.
बाजे ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये धड़क आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संगे ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संगे ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
That was so colorful, just like Navratri. Our little Jat is sparkle like stars. Now, let's leave the colorful Garba and move to the land of Dol and Bhangra, Punjab. Do you hear that? The dole is calling. Yes, when Punjabi music starts, no one can sit still. Let's welcome our energetic Punjabis. Balle, 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 balle.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धोकने वाली दग 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदें लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोह बुलंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह बुलंग दे बसंती। गड्ढे ते ना चढ़दी गड्डी रे ते ना चढ़दी, गड्ढे ते ना चढ़दी गड्डी रे ते ना चढ़दी, छड़े आदे टट्टू ते टप चढ़दी, बोल तारा रा रा बोल तारा रा रा, कंजूरी कलोल कर दी, बोल तारा रा रा बोल तारा रा रा, कंजूरी कलोल कर दी, बोल तारा रा रा। ਉਹ ਹਾਰ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਿੰਗਾਰ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਗਈ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਹਾਰ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਿੰਗਾਰ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਗਈ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੜ ਗਈ, ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਰਾ, ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ, ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਰਾ, ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੜ ਗਈ, ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਰਾ।
Our little Punjabi Police shook the stage that was full on Dol Dhamaka. From the Dol beats of Punjab, we now enter the royal land of Rajasthan. Kambaganisa, Rajasthan is full of royalty, isn't it? Yes, forest deserts and beautiful costumes. Let's welcome our little Rajasthanis.
फिर रात कटी और दिन निकला, जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी, फिर बीत गई ऐसी भींग पड़ी, रब राखा बेदिया हे हो हे हो।
ओटनी पर जब चांद चले और चांद के पीछे रात चले और तारों की बारात चले, रब राखा बेलिया ये हो ये हो।
लुक छुप न जाओ जी, मन दीद कराओ जी, रा क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी। हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर सले उन्हें भंगा दी मैं कह लगे। मर बिगड़े में जागी दो कणी, चंदा में थारी चांदनी, मन दामन में पानी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम। ओ मेरे बिगड़े में जागी दो कणी, चंदा में थारी चांदनी, मन दामन में पानी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम। में जागी दो कणी, चंदा में थारी चांदनी, मन दामन में पानी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम।
Graceful performance by our little Rajasthanis. Now let's leave the desert sands and travel to the green backwaters of Kerala. beautiful backwater. Kerala is also famous for classical dance and the Onam festival.
I've come so far from where I began. Miss the sound of the waves, the breeze on my skin. Wish that I could be back in my homeland, singing. Show me the road, and I'll be right there. I'd do anything to feel the wind in my hair. I'd go far as it takes, and I won't even care. I'll sing. കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കോയിലാണേ താരേ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ കളിവാഴ ഭദ്രവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ല ചെടി തിരുമ്പുമ്പിൽ ചെന്നു കളിയെ തുടങ്ങി അവരവരെ കളിവാഴ ഭദ്രവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ല ചെടി തിരുമ്പുമ്പിൽ ചെന്നു കളിയെ തുടങ്ങി കളിവാഴ 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 ഭദ്രവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ല ചെടി തിരുമ്പുമ്പിൽ ചെന്നു കളിയെ തുടങ്ങി അവരവരെ കളിവാഴ ഭദ്രവടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പോരട്ടെ നല്ല ചെടി തിരുമ്പുമ്പിൽ ചെന്നു കളിയെ തുടങ്ങി.
What a wonderful performance. They dance like true classical artists. A Kerala's beauty came alive on our stage today. What an amazing journey across India. Before we conclude, let's get ready for our grand finale. Different states, one nation, one proud heartbeat. India, Jai Hind! First of all, we would like to thank our Director of Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, for ideating this beautiful Rhythms of India theme for our annual opera. We would also like to thank our Managing Director, Mr. Dhananjay sir, for providing us great support and wonderful spaces in the school. We would like to thank the entire team at Silver Oaks for being here and motivating us throughout. We would also like to thank all the activity team for supporting us on our big day. We would also like to thank our parents for buying us these beautiful costumes so that we could dazzle on the stage today. A big thank you to our pre-primary teachers who took on many roles, worked tirelessly and supported us for making this big day a grand success. Thank you, Stanley sir, for arranging the medley for us. Thanks to our curators, Aparna ma'am and Vaishnavi ma'am, for capturing wonderful moments. Thank you, Padma ma'am and Jaya ma'am, for helping us throughout the show. Thank you, Divya ma'am, for helping us coordinate the music system. Thank you, Sudha ma'am and Pavan sir, for helping us with the LED backgrounds. You'd also like to thank Mr. Satya Narayana and the support staff for their assistance. A big thank you to Mr. Devi, the electrician, who helped us to get their spaces ready for our practice. Thanks to Mr. Ravi Kumar for supporting with all the administration. A big thank you to Mr. Pathasarathi, Mr. Verma and team for taking care of security and parking spaces. A big thank you to all the IMS for taking care of us. How we can live without parents' dance and teachers' dance. Are you ready, parents?
Dear parents, I would request you all to please stand up and match the steps along with us. Please stand up. Are you ready? Parents, are you all ready? Play the music.
मारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। प्यारबाज हम, जानसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छुएते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज निकले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ 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 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ సంక్రాంతి సందళ్ళే
ఊరితో సమయాన్నిలా గడిపేయడం ఒక సరదారా, మన వారితో కలిసుండడం ఒక వరమేరా. నన్ను మరవని చూపులెన్నెన్నో, నన్ను నడిపిన దారులెన్నెన్నో, నన్ను మలచిన ఊరు ఎన్నెన్నో, గురుతులనిచ్చినదే
సంక్రాంతి సందళ్ళే అంగరంగ వైభవంగా సంక్రాంతి సందళ్ళే
എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി. വീണ്ടും കാണാം. നമസ്കാരം. മലി കലൂത്താം. നമസ്കാരം. चंगा जी हुना से इजाजत लेने हाँ अगले साल फिर मुलाकात होगी. प्री प्राइमरी वालों नम्रता भरी सत श्री अकाल.
Now, as I call out the names of the classes, I request that parents of those specific classes step forward and pick up their children. We also request all the parents, please vacate the school premises at earliest possible as we have early primary show scheduled next. Thank you for your support and cooperation. First, parents of PP1 Daisy, go to room number 1. Parents of PP1 Daisy. Parents of PP1 Lily, please go to room number 3.